Swati the Explorer, and today, Happy New Year to everyone. And I'm in a really scientific mode today, so I'll be doing the science experiment of Volcano Erupting. So I have made this model by myself with recycling things. The ingredients we need are baking soda, dish soap, a spoon to mix it, some color and vinegar. Let's start by adding some dish soap. Now I'll be adding baking soda, and now I'll be adding some color. Now I'll be mixing them. Now I'll be adding some vinegar to see the explosion of the lava. Wow, the explosion is happening! And this explosion happens because of the chemical reaction of baking soda and vinegar.